So here we are at Claremont, lot 51. This is a two-story, 2,417 square foot house that's living space. 4-bedroom, 3 full baths, 1 bathroom downstairs, and 1 full bath in the master suite and a Jack and Jill for the other 2 bedrooms. Lot 51 has a 2-car garage. We've got all our electric roughed in, our plumbing's roughed in, including the gas for the fireplace. Upstairs, you have a nice little study nook. When you come up to the top of the stairs, gives you a little extra room if you need to set up a computer or a work at home office. We have HVACs ready to go. We just need to start hanging sheetrock. So we'll be putting sheetrock here soon, and then it'll start looking like a finished product. We'll be able to come in and do a first coat of paint, start putting cabinets and flooring in, and it's going to come right along. So as you can see, the houses are going up fast here in the Claremont Garden section. So you need to check with StricklinPorter.com or click the link below and get yours scheduled to look at today.